Hi, I'm Holly Figueroa. I'm the Director of Client Care at Right at Home of Central New Jersey, bringing you the right minute on hip care precautions. Low bone density doubles or even triples fracture risk. That's a major concern because 56% of women and 18% of men age 50 and over have reduced bone mineral density, including 16% of women and 2% of men with bone density low enough to be categorized as osteoporosis. Another 40% of women and 16% of men have osteopenia, a milder degree. The following can help you stay safer and reduce your risk. Don't bend at the hip at over 90 degrees. Don't cross your legs. And don't turn your leg inwards. 9 out of 10 hip fractures are caused by falls. Exercises that maintain muscle strength, endurance, and balance can lower your risk of these trips, tumbles, and falls. For more information or how we can keep you safe with a caregiver, please give us a call at Right at Home of Central New Jersey at 732-967-0900. Thank you, and have a great day.